Now let's discuss the parallel resonance circuit. In a parallel resonance circuit, the resonance frequency is given by this formula, which is Fr is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root LC. Here L is the inductance and C is the capacitance. At resonance, the impedance is at its highest value. As a result, the current in the circuit is at its lowest. The current and voltage in the circuit are perfectly synchronized, meaning they increase and decrease together. If we talk about the branch current, in a parallel resonance circuit, the current flowing through individual branches can be higher than the total current supplied by the source. Remember that the power factor at resonance is 1, which means the circuit is using power very efficiently and no power is wasted. Here I have a graph. This graph shows how current changes with frequency. The horizontal axis represents the frequency, while the vertical axis represents the current. The dotted line labeled Fr represents the resonance frequency. At the resonance frequency, the current reaches its lowest value because the impedance is highest. The current and voltage are in phase, which is indicated by the peak efficiency, which means the power factor is 1.